Hello everyone. So now we are going to discuss about this descending values uh, which are present in the array. We are considering the number of elements which are present in an array in a random manner, and we are going to sort it out in a descending order. So if it is a descending order, then we are saying that as largest number first and the smallest number at the last. So it will be decreasing. It will be in a decreasing order. So from the largest number to the smallest number, it will be decreasing. So here I'm initiating a variable called a. With the variable, I have declared some input values also. So these are the elements which are present in the variable a, and these are the array elements. And then I'm initiating a temporary variable so that I can store the compared values in it. And as because I'm going to compare the nearby values, I have to take two loops, and each and every loop must have different variables. As because the first value will be having some different variable, and the second value will be having a different variable, which has to be compared each and every time. So when it has to move on in a sequence, then I have to take a for loop for it. So for example, now first I'm taking for I is equal to 0 up to a dot length I plus plus. So it has to move from one to another, from 0 to 1, 1 to 2, like that. And then for int j is equal to I plus 1. That is, if I is equal to 23, then j will be 35. So that I can compare a of I and a of j. So that is 23 and 35 I can compare. Each and every time whenever the I value is pointing out a particular value, the nearby value will be the jth value. So those two values will be compared. So now here, so that is the meaning of these two loops, and comparison for if a of I is less than a of j. So I'm comparing 23 is less than 35. So here it is 23 is less than 35. Now here what happens is a of j value will be stored, as because the temporary value will be stored, because we have to display the ith value only. So here the temporary value of 35, it will be stored in the yes value. Then a of j, that is a of j will be taking the value of a of I. That is, here it will be accepting the value of 23. So for comparison, it will be taking that particular value only. Again, now a of I will be, yes, will be taking the a of I value, where a of I is equal to, so yes is the a of I value. That is, we know that yes becomes 35 here. So this 35 is assigned to a of I. So here, now the first value which is assigned to a of I is 35. Again, now the next comparison is between 35 and 14. So each and every time when it compares, so here when this comparison is going on, 35 and 14, so it does not satisfy this condition. So it automatically comes out of the loop and it goes for the next comparison. So that is like 14 and 12. The comparison will go from 14 to 12. So the next two values will be compared. So the sequence, it goes on like that up to the output value. So let us that. So I have given 23, 35, 14, 12, 94, minus 35 and 76. So here the larger number is 76, 94, and the next largest number is 76. And then 35, 23, 14, 12, and then minus 35. So this should be the order which should be at the output. So let me check here. So it is in the same order. Thank you.